And then I decided to wash my hair. That's just, it was insane. Hey YouTube, what's going on? Super excited for this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I am so glad you are here. I'm a cosmetic chemist specializing in natural hair care and the creator of this amazing channel called Curly Chemistry, where I help you guys understand your hair and ingredients from a cosmetic chemist perspective. And I also help you guys start hair care lines as well. And today I am sharing 7 hair mistakes to avoid in 2023. And thankfully, these are mistakes that I have made myself. And because I made the mistake, you don't have to go through the mistake. I did the mistake for you, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, mistake number 1, not choosing my products based off of my porosity. Now, the whole topic of porosity can sometimes be like a hit or miss thing because some people believe in it and some don't. It's completely fine, but I have noticed that people who have low porosity, myself included, our hair is more compatible with products that are either liquid or more of a gel cream consistency. And a lot of that does make sense science-wise because liquids have a higher permeability to a closed tight cuticle because it can easily absorb, versus high porosity hair, because the cuticles are slightly lifted more than low porosity. They need more of those thicker butters and creams, not only for that moisturization, but because of the fatty alcohols, the thickeners in that formula, they do help to seal and to close that cuticle so that more moisture can stay within the high porosity cuticle. Now, if you're interested in learning more about, okay, Tanya, what are the best products for low porosity versus high porosity, I already have a video for you. I have Holy Grail products that I love and recommend for low porosity and also for high porosity as well from a cosmetic chemist perspective. I'll put the links below. Okay, number 2, the second mistake, hard water. Okay, a lot of our showers naturally have hard water coming from them. And when I say hard water, meaning a lot of different minerals, chlorine, fluoride, things of that nature are not ideal for our hair because they can leave little mineral deposits on the cuticle, and this can lift the cuticle, leading to moisture loss. I would recommend investing in a shower filter. I do have a recommendation in my Amazon store. I'll put the link below. But shower filters are amazing because they are going to filter out all of those hard water, minerals, chlorine, fluoride, all of the things, and you're going to see an immediate difference when it comes to the softness, the look, the feel, and the health of your hair. So if you can get a shower filter, do so. Okay, mistake number 3, not understanding your body's deficiencies. I want to say probably like 80% of us probably have some level of vitamin or mineral deficiencies within our bodies, okay? And a lot of times we are looking for that perfect hair growth oil, that perfect product to grow our hair down to our toes, when really we're probably wasting our money if there is a vitamin deficiency within our body, because no matter the amount of product or oil you put on your scalp and your hair, if there is a deficiency within your body, you're not going to see the results that you are looking for. So I personally recommend getting your iron levels, vitamin D levels, and your zinc levels checked. This blood work that your primary doctor should be able to do for you. The zinc, I think that can be done with your primary. If not, that may be like a micronutrient test, but definitely get those vitamin D and your iron levels checked for sure, because that will give you an understanding of what's going on internally. Okay, the next mistake is, or something that I used to do, I'm guilty of it, is washing your hair once a month. I used to do this religiously. I just thought, oh, my hair don't need that much shampooing, I'm good to go. No. Washing my hair once a month, I felt like stunted my hair growth, because here I am every day, or at least every other day, using some type of product on my hair, oil on my scalp, and all that is accumulating over 30 days. And then I decide to wash my hair. That's just, it was insane, at least for me, okay? So I'm seeing now that as I'm washing my hair more often, my goal now is once a week. I'm seeing a difference in my scalp. I'm seeing a difference in the shine of my hair, the texture of my hair. And remember, your scalp is also a part of your skin. So imagine if we went a whole month without taking a shower, right? Like it wouldn't be good, okay? So treat your skin like your scalp, but you may not want to wash your hair every day, but at least if you can do once a week, that would be ideal. Okay, the next mistake is going to be, and I've done this too, waiting longer than a week to comb / detangle my hair. And honestly, I was just being lazy. I just didn't want to do it. I just was like, whatever. And then when I went to finally comb and detangle my hair, I had so much tangles and I had breakage. The shedded hair is getting attached to my non-shedded hair, and I'm combing the healthy non-shedded hair out because I didn't want to comb my hair, okay? So it is a daily maintenance. You don't have to comb your hair every day, but please don't be like me, y'all. Don't be like me, combing your hair once a week. Like, maybe it works for some of y'all, but it ain't work for me. That was a mistake for me. Okay, the next mistake is using hot water when you wash your hair. And I get it, because I love me a nice little hot water shower. It just feels so good on the skin, so we think. But on the scalp is a no-go, because the scalp is made up of the stratum corneum, which is a skin layer. And it's like a tight network that keeps moisture within the scalp, a healthy scalp, I should say. But hot water tends to disrupt this layer, loosening the stratum corneum, leaving gaps within that stratum corneum layer. And with those gaps leads to moisture loss from our scalp, leading to a dry, itchy, flaky scalp. So the best water, I should say, to shampoo your scalp or shampoo your hair in general is definitely between cool, warm, lukewarm water. And the last mistake I want to share is using excessive amounts of heat on hair that is vulnerable, okay? Now, a lot of you guys know my little story. When I first went natural back in 2016, 15, around there, I went to get my hair flat ironed for the first time. I experienced some severe heat damage. And I can't fault the stylist 100%, I can't, because it's also my fault too, because I did not make sure my hair was strong enough for that service. And maybe I still would experience some heat damage because he did use a lot of heat, but it may not have been to the extent to what it was had my hair been strong enough. And I just did not do a protein treatment. So one thing I stress a lot is to do a protein treatment before you do any type of chemical service, color, bleaching, heat service, like a direct heat, like a silk press like service, because protein is going to help to protect your hair. It's going to help to make sure your hair is strong enough for that service. But don't go crazy now, because our hair can only take so much. But please, as a prerequisite before any type of chemical or heat service, do yourself a favor and get a protein treatment. All right, guys, hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like this video. And for more curly chemistry content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to stay in the loop for more curly chemistry content. And of course, I have a question for you. What is your hair mistake? What's one hair mistake that you did that you had to learn from? What is that one mistake? Comment below, let us all know, and I cannot wait to join the conversation with you. If you want to learn more about your hair and ingredients from a cosmetic chemist perspective, definitely check out the Curly Girls Guide to Hair Care Ingredients and the Natural Hair Care Wisdom flashcards. These are resources that I created just for you to give you an advantage when it comes to purchasing your products, ingredients, and understanding your hair from a science perspective. And I have a promo code and a link below for you as well. And if interested in starting a hair care line, no matter where you are in the world, you can work with me one-on-one, and I have a link below for you as well. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.